Noogie noogie. Miles, you press play with your with your foot.
Can't breathe. I hurt your back crack.
You're gonna don't hurt it before football. Easy, and you got a smile that can light up this whole town. Don't even.
Hey, hug it out with me, alright? Hug it out.
Guys, you're getting a little frisky.
Ouch!
What's it? Come here! Miles, oh, wrong person. Sorry, Ariana.
You like...
I love how this song is playing, and you guys are like...
Where's my... Your hair? That's not my fault. Let go of me and I can move it. Okay, go. I punch you in the genie weenie. Itty bitty. That's what. Taylor Swift is ugly. Who's not ugly? Ew. Yay! Oh god. Ew! Just love me.
Sit on him. That's what I do.
Ew! Ew!
I got
No, it's on his shirt.
I went in his mouth before. I held open his mouth, my friend did, and we spit in his mouth.
My shirt!